a roof window or a skylight window, making it possible to enjoy a wider view of the sky overhead. They are widely used in designing daylighting for residential, public, and commercial buildings. It is an outward opening window that is incorporated as part of the design of a roof. They are often a good option when there is a desire to allow both light and fresh air into the space. Let's watch the making of a concrete roof window from beginning. You have to decide the number of windows, the position of the windows, the size and the shape of the windows you want before concrete work begins. Use a concrete cutting machine to make roof windows.